Welcome to Argentina, a country of majestic natural wonders, captivating culture, mouth-watering cuisine, and vibrant cities just waiting to be explored. From the mighty Iguazu Falls to the craggy peaks of Patagonia, this diverse landscape promises adventure for all types of travelers. In this video, we'll count down our picks for the top 10 place formations of Quebrada de Humahuaca. Quebrada de Humahuaca is a narrow gorge with vibrantly colored rock formations and canyon walls. As you journey through this UNESCO World Heritage Site, you'll travel back in time through indigenous villages and encounter people continuing ancient traditions. Be sure to try regional dishes like humita and tamales while you take in the breathtaking mountain landscape surrounding you. This area offers an unforgettable glimpse into Argentina's diverse cultural heritage and natural beauty. From rainbow mountains to rainbow wildlife, number 9 features some of Argentina's most incredible migrating creatures. Puerto Madryn is a must-visit destination for nature lovers visiting Argentina. Located on the shores of Golfo Nuevo, it is the gateway to the stunning Peninsula Valdez, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the best places to see wildlife in Patagonia. Visitors can embark on boat tours into the Gulf to encounter southern right whales, orca whales, sea lions, Magellanic penguins, dolphins, and more. This area is considered one of the top whale-watching sites in the world. Beyond whale watching, Puerto Madryn offers plenty for visitors to relax on beaches, snorkel with sea lions, hike the peninsula, or dine on fresh seafood. With its incredible marine life and idyllic coastal setting, Puerto Madryn is an essential stop on any Argentine adventure. If you've watched this far, it means you like our content, so please show some support by hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. Here, you'll find the best travel destinations for your next vacation. Córdoba is a vibrant and youthful city with a rich history as Argentina's second-largest metropolis. Tourists will love exploring the historic center's picturesque Spanish colonial architecture and lively cultural attractions like museums, galleries, and universities. Don't miss the Manzana Jesuitica, a UNESCO World Heritage Site featuring 17th century churches and buildings from the Jesuit era. Be sure to try regional dishes like empanadas and locro stew. All aboard at number 7. We're taking the world's highest train up cloud-covered mountain peaks for breathtaking vistas. Salta is a charming city in northern Argentina, known for its well-preserved colonial architecture and vibrant indigenous culture. Wander the narrow streets of the city center to see beautifully painted adobe buildings. Don't miss visiting the towering cathedral and lively artisan markets where you can buy traditional handicrafts. One of the top attractions is taking the scenic train to the clouds, which ascends over 3,000 meters into the Andes for jaw-dropping mountain views. With its rich history, indigenous heritage, and striking natural beauty, Salta is an unforgettable destination for any visitor to Argentina. The icy attraction at number 6 has everyone from poets to paddlers swooning over its ever-changing beauty that cameras can barely capture. El Calafate is a must-visit destination to see the awe-inspiring Perito Moreno Glacier. This dynamic glacier constantly cracks, creaks, and calves new icebergs into the icy blue waters below. Tourists can access viewing platforms or book boat tours to get up close to this natural wonder. Be prepared with warm layers, sturdy shoes, and plenty of camera memory cards to capture the glacier's ever-changing beauty across the seasons. Don't forget to sample local Patagonian lamb or seafood after a long day of glacier gazing. They call the next spot the end of the world for a reason. It's the perfect place to see nature at its most remote, rugged, and captivating. Ushuaia, nestled between the Beagle Channel and the Andes Mountains, Ushuaia is considered the southernmost city in the world. Nicknamed the end of the world, it serves as the gateway to Antarctica cruises and expeditions. Visitors can explore Tierra del Fuego National Park to see glaciers, fjords, and rare birds like penguins, cormorants, and albatross. The city itself has restaurants featuring fresh seafood, an interesting prison-turned museum, and duty-free shops. Ushuaia offers beautiful views of nature and unique wildlife at the edge of the world. After all this adventure, who's ready to relax? Number 4 lets you kick back with delicious local cuisine and vineyards for days. Mendoza is a wine lover's paradise, home to over 1,500 wineries nestled in the foothills of the Andes Mountains. Spend your days touring the vineyards and bodegas, sampling delicate Malbecs and hearty Cabernets. The stunning views of row after row of vines set against a backdrop of snow-capped peaks are breathtaking. In the evening, dine at one of Mendoza's farm-to-table restaurants featuring fresh local ingredients paired perfectly with regional vintages. With a vibrant food and wine culture, beautiful scenery, and world-class vineyards, Mendoza is an essential stop on any Argentine itinerary. Bariloche is a picturesque city in northern Patagonia, nestled amongst breathtaking lakes and soaring mountain peaks. It's a nature lover's paradise with opportunities for hiking, biking, boating, fishing, and more against snow-capped Andean beauty. Take advantage of spectacular viewpoints like Cerro Cathedral and Cerro Campanario, which offer panoramas over sapphire lakes and evergreen forests. The Swiss-style architecture and artisanal chocolate shops add to Bariloche's charm. With its adventurous outdoor activities and fairy tale scenery, it's easy to see why Bariloche is considered one of Argentina's top destinations. You'll need to go off the beaten path behind roaring water curtains to discover our runner-up's wildest views. Iguazu Falls, one of the world's largest and most spectacular waterfalls, Iguazu Falls is a must-see for any visitor to Argentina. As you walk along the trails and viewing platforms, prepare to be awestruck by the roar and power of the fall's 275 individual drops across nearly 2 miles of the Iguazu River. Rainbows dance in the mist, colorful birds flit overhead, and luxuriant jungle foliage frames the cascades for an unforgettable multi-sensory experience. Remember waterproof gear. The trails will lead you right under and behind some of the falls for a true sense of their majestic scale. Last but certainly not least, the #1 spot takes you back in time with tango flair that still sizzles today. Buenos Aires is the capital city of Argentina and a popular destination for tourists. Known as the birthplace of tango, visitors can take lessons or watch performances of the iconic dance. The city's neighborhoods each have their own unique culture and architecture to explore. From the colorful houses of La Boca to the chic boutiques of Palermo, there is plenty to see. When the sun goes down, enjoy Buenos Aires' famous nightlife over dinner and drinks. Be sure to try local dishes like empanadas and parrillada. That's it for our top 10 places to visit in Argentina. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more incredible travel destinations. But before you book your flight, leave a comment below telling us your favorite destination in Argentina that we may have missed. We'd love to hear and feature your must-see recommendations in an upcoming video. Thanks so much for watching.